Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the words Saunter, Amble, and Mosey. So, first off, Mosey can only be a verb, while Saunter and Amble can be both a verb and noun. When it comes to particular difference, what it is. So, Amble, it's like walking aimlessly without a purpose. I've been reading a lot of scientific articles, and mostly this word uh, appears when it comes to dinosaurs. But it's not only about dinosaurs, you can also say it about people or other animals, so on. So it's like walking aimlessly without a purpose, and it's like a gentle walk. So the next word is Saunter. It's pretty. It's like it's like I said before. It's a synonym, and well, I was not saying it before, but I was implying that these words like synonyms, and they are. So Saunter, it's like also walking aimlessly, but like enjoying your surroundings. Look over there. You see this one? So just like this, okay? That was Saunter. And the last word is going to be Mosey. So Mosey also walk aimlessly, or you can say also slowly without a purpose, but in a playful manner. And that's the difference. That's all. So I hope all these examples were pretty clear for you and you understood all of it. So that's pretty all for today, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.